Let's dive on into some examples. Okay? So example number one is going to be 14 plus 35v, 14 plus 35v equals 3v plus 14 equals 3v plus 14. So let's start with our barrier. Step number one is our barrier. Step number two is distribute. There is nothing to distribute. Step number three is to combine like terms. So I understand that this and this are alike, but they're on different sides of the barrier, so I can't combine those yet. All right? So I cannot combine things that are in different sides of the barrier. It's almost like I have to look on the left side, combine all I can. Look on the right side, combine all I can. All right? So when we go to isolate the variable, that's what we want. So remember, we like to have our letters on the left. Okay? We like to have our letters on the left. So I want to move this on this side. I'm not separating the 3 and the V. I'm literally moving it to the other side. So when you move an entire thing, when you move the entire term, it's going to be the inverse operation. So right now, this is plus 3v, so the inverse would be minus 3v on both sides. So again, separating this is different than moving the whole thing. So this is now gone. I'm just left with my 14. 35 positive minus 3 is 32v. And again, this is now a two-step equation. You guys rock at this. You've showed me that time and time again. So this is what I want to get alone. So I minus 14 on both sides. That cancels out, leaving me with 32v equals 0. Well, if I divide both of these by 32, I would end up with v equals 0. So if I plug that back in, I have 14 plus 35v equals 3v plus 14. In place of v, I would put 0. That would give me 0. That would give me 0. So 14 plus 0, 0 plus 14. So 14 equals 14. We are checking. So our answer is in fact 0. So our answer is in fact 0.